Comcast announced a new Stream Saver package that involves Netflix, Peacock, Apple TV+. Netflix, an American streaming service, is the leader in the streaming wars, boasting 269.6 million paid subscribers globally in 2024. With its excellent catalog of original series, including Stranger Things, Bridgerton, and Wednesday, along with crowd-pleasing films like Nimona, Damsel, and Hitman, it's easy to see how Netflix became the industry leader is today. However, Netflix doesn't offer many deals or discounts. Instead, it has chosen other ways to increase subscriber numbers, such as introducing a lower-cost ad-supported plan and cracking down on password sharing. Gadinsider has compiled some ways you can get Netflix for free. Netflix free trial? Netflix does not offer a free trial. The company stopped all free trials in the US in 2020 and has no plans to bring promotional trial periods back anytime soon. Users looking to get a taste of Netflix's most popular series can only do so through YouTube, where the streamer has a curated collection of full episodes of selected shows like Blue Eye Samurai Explained and Our Planet. T-Mobile's Streaming on Us Netflix freebie. T-Mobile's long-running Netflix on US freebie has gone through some changes recently. Previously, T-Mobile users on more expensive mobile plans like Magenta Max could get ad-free Netflix standard plans. However, this plan was officially retired in January 2024 when the company demoted all customers to Netflix's ad-supported tier. This means unskippable ads, and much of Netflix's film library is unavailable on this tier due to licensing limitations. Still, it's free Netflix, and being able to stream new seasons of Cobra Kai, Emily in Paris, and Bridgerton for nothing is still attractive for those looking to save on streaming. Verizon's Netflix Max Bundle. Verizon offers a $10 monthly subscription bundle that includes the ad-supported tiers of HBO Max and Netflix through its MyPlan service. While this might not technically be free, the cost of an ad-supported Max subscription on its own is $9.99 per month, so subscribers are getting Netflix at no extra cost with the purchase of a Max subscription through Verizon. Comcast Stream Saver Bundle. Comcast announced a new Stream Saver package that includes Netflix, Peacock, and Apple TV Plus for a vastly lowered price compared with anything in the market today. The bundle will be exclusively offered to Comcast broadband TV and mobile customers. Sting. Existing Xfinity Internet and TV customers can pay an additional $15 per month for Peacock with ads, Netflix with ads, and Apple TV Plus. This represents a 30% saving. Comcast Now TV customers need to pay $30 per month for the same bundle.